Hey language learners, if you are looking to cancel your Duolingo Plus or Super Duolingo subscription, do not worry. It's quick and easy. Whether you are switching to a different app or just taking a break, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, if you signed up through the App Store or Google Play, you will need to cancel through those platforms. If you are an iPhone user, open the settings, then go to your Apple ID and select subscription and then select cancel subscription on Duolingo. If you are an Android user, open the Google Play Store, then go to profile section and search for payment and subscription, then find Duolingo and select cancel subscription. If you subscribe directly through the Duolingo, then open Duolingo, then go to your profile icon from here, then select the gear icon from the top right, then scroll down and search for Super Duolingo manage subscription, then select it, then tap on manage subscription, then tap on cancel subscription, then select a reason why are you canceling it, then tap on cancel super, then select cancel subscription, then uh, select a reason again, then select continue, then select cancel subscription, and it will be subscription will be cancelled. And that's how you can easily cancel Duolingo or Super Duolingo subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.